Go for it, let's see it. Oh, I got you, go for it. Ah, you're gonna get all over me. Oh, he falls down. Hey, Hudson, guess what?
It's raining.
It has rained, which means it is muddy everywhere. And Hudson and I get to play in the mud, having fun, using his tractor, using the lawnmower mud tractor, and we even might go mudding in a real tractor. You ready?
Yeah!
Let's go play the mud. Sit down, come on. Let's get going. I'll follow you. Go ahead. Whoa! All right, Hudson, let's see it. Go for it. Across? I was not expecting that. Here, let's turn it around. Let's try it again. Go for it. Let's see it. Oh, I got you. Go for it. There we go. You almost fell backwards, didn't you?
Yeah.
But you made it through. Now it's my turn in the mud mower. Pretty good in the mud, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, hold on. I'm a little muddy now. Oh, you ran right into the hay-mow with your tractor? You trying to push it over? Let's see.
Oh, Dad, look.
What is it? Oh, look, guys. There's a spider, Hudson. You almost crashed into the spider. Let's get our tractor out of the way. Here, let's get back to mudding. Come on, get on.
And I'm terrified of spiders.
All right, Hudson, let's see it. The biggest mud puddle there is. The test. Go for it. Oh, that was pretty good. You need help. I'm coming.
I don't want to do a backflip.
I don't want you to do a backflip. What about no backflips? We made it. Now let's see if the mud mower can make it through this. You think it can?
Yeah, I can totally.
I don't know. Let's see.
Dad, I'm going to try to jump.
You're going to jump it? Here, I want to jump it too. Let's try and jump it. You ready? Oh, full speed. Oh, good job. My turn. I made it, and then I fell down.
Like me.
No!
Like me.
Now I gotta try it in the mud mower with muddy hands. Uh-oh, it's about to get deep. It's about to get deep. Oh, watch out. And hang on there. Now Hudson wants a good old mud race. We're going to race through the mud pit to the end. First one to make it back here wins, okay?
Okay.
On your mark, get set, go. How are you so fast in the mud? You're going to get all over me. Oh, he falls down. Oh. He fell down right at the end, and Dad gets the win.
But I have to rematch.
You want a rematch? Fine, we'll do one more run.
Ready, set, go!
Oh, he didn't lead again. He falls down again, though. I'm tired. It's muddy. It got in my mouth. I'm tired. Hudson wins. Thank you guys for watching. We gotta go get cleaned up, don't we?
Yeah.
Don't forget, you can go to Hudson'sPlayground.com, get you some merch like this and like this. It won't come that muddy though, I promise. That's up for y'all to play in the mud and have some fun. Until next time, make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe for our videos. Bye.